Yo, what is up, YouTube? Thank you so much for the 20 subs. I did not think that my channel would grow this much over the last 3 days. You guys have just absolutely nailed it with the views and the subs. I'm so thankful to you guys. So, if you're new here, feel free to like this short and give me a subscription. I'll probably be working on a new long form video tomorrow while I'm off, and then I'll probably have it posted on Saturday. I'm going to be trying to do 2 long forms a week and try to do a couple shorts